Hi, in today's video we're going to be talking about AppSumo Alternatives. I've found 6 alternatives I think are pretty good for you to choose from, one that I think even may be better than AppSumo. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also reach over there and that little extra effort for me, hit that bell icon so you'll be notified every time I publish new content to our channel. Without further ado, let's move on to AppSumo Alternatives. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about AppSumo Alternatives. Here's a list of 6 AppSumo alternatives I'm going to be talking about today. The first is a site called PitchGround, then Rebeliance, StackSocial, BootStrapps, SAS Mantra, and a Facebook page called Affordable Deals Club. First off, let's go to AppSumo. Well, let's look at AppSumo. So if you're familiar with AppSumo, it looks like this. This is the head page, and they have 4 main categories that you can get: software and technology deals. They have them posted all the time. The WordPress tools page looks like this. You come in here, there's a lot of deals on WordPress plugins, and you can see what there is for a deal here. And they specialize in lifetime deals or lifetime offers. And the other thing I wanted to show you was I went to the hot deals. These are all brand new hottest deals. 60-day. One thing AppSumo prides himself on is a 60-day money-back guarantee for no matter the reason, and request for your refund. So that's really good. Let's start looking at some of the 6 that I talked about. So in the 6 alternatives to AppSumo, I want to look at PitchGround. I'll be putting the links for these down in the description for you. They will not be affiliate links, but there'll be links to get more information or just sign up for these 6 businesses. PitchGround, once you become a member, it's easy to sign up to be a member. They again work on lifetime deals a lot, or special deals. Techie type deals, which is what AppSumo does very well. Not so much deals on some of the technology, the broad-based men's, women's type products, things like that, but more technology based. Okay, it appears with PitchGround that being highly technical for the products, there's going to be some expensive things in here, but there's going to be some excellent things if you're into a larger software technological type company where you can use some of the tools that are available on here. Let's take a look at the deals page. Okay, on the deals page, this is what's available right now. And these are all lifetime deals. You can check them out and see if they match up what you need for your business or something you can use for your online business. And if they're sold out, they'll be marked as sold out. All these deals are sold out. Okay, these are limited deals. I had found out that they're time limited, so thing is, if you see a deal, you should probably hop on it, do your research, and if you sign up for any of these 6 companies, they'll be on email alert for new deals. So that's the point of the whole thing, is to save money for building your business, especially when you're new business, saving money. Okay, the next one we look at is called Rebeliance. Now this one I found to be rather limited with what the deals are, but it looks like they specialize in lifetime deals. And what they do is they give you, they'll provide the deal, let you know, email that there's a deal available, and you can go and check it out. What I did for today, I checked out more deals. There weren't more deals available on here, but they have deals as days go on, weeks go on. They have deals that are put on here. They worked out special deals from new upcoming software developers, technology developers as well. So it appears that this is more technological too, but there's very limited resource, but it's still a resource that you can use. Again, I'll put the link down in the description. The third one I want to go over is a site called StackSocial. Now, StackSocial, in studying it, looks like it's a definitely more like a Groupon type place in the market for apps and for technology. They also have too. They have a section for men's and women's products, so that's why they're more like a Groupon type thing. They're more broad based, but it appears that they're more in direct competition with AppSumo as far as getting the deals and marketing deals that are deep discounted deals. And I would say that StackSocial appears to be the one site that definitely is the site that is more and stands out more of the 6 deals as being absolutely compelling. Or AppSumo. AppSumo appears to be working and being concerned with StackSocial, because you'll find up when you do searches in Google, things pop up. If you do a search for AppSumo, StackSocial has ads pop up, and the same with StackSocial, AppSumo has ads. So that tells me that there's a lot of direct competition there, that these two are very concerned about each other and growing the market. Now, here's something called stay-at-home social deals. And there again, this is the technology that I was talking about. These are technology type deals, things that aren't have online business, I guess, building, but more with technology, with at home. I know that AppSumo has at home type products, but not as much. This is more technology and building your business type tools, apps like that. So the thing is, StackSocial has a broad base, probably a broader base than the other 5, as far as so they're able to work out better deals for people on getting lifetime deals. Like here's one that's being featured right now, social distancing, and they include things like learning languages at home, a microbook library, even a VPN included for online searches for security purposes for you. So that's it for that one. The fourth one would be a site called BootStrapps. BootStrapps appears, what they're doing is they go out and they're kind of like a, just like they search for deals from the other places. They search for deals from AppSumo. They search for deals from StackSocial. And they'll post the deals on there as a way to get some traffic to them for whatever they have in there. Now, what they're going to do is they are promoting that they want app buyers and app makers. They also are looking for new people that want to be part of, if you're an upcoming developer, they want you very much to feature your app on their site. So the thing is that they're an upcomer more, and Bootstraps appears to be a place that you can get information up front real quick about things being available quickly, and they'll put you in touch with getting the products and the deals that you're looking for on some of the products that you're looking for too. But again, I would say more on a limited basis than StackSocial and AppSumo. So to update you, we covered PitchGround, Rebeliance, StackSocial, Bootstraps. The next one we're going to cover is SAS Mantra. And SAS Mantra, SASS Mantra, seems to be a very extremely much a technological minded site, extremely high tech, and they only have limited deals again. I checked a couple of these. They have limited traffic. Obviously, there's 7, 1, 12 reviews of these. When I checked them, they're all basically sold out already. They had limited numbers that they were selling on these. Let's go to this one here. We'll see what this is about.
Typical 14 days trial.
So I'll give you an idea what's about the product. There's just a little bit of writing here. So this is something that you're more familiar with. It's leveraged data to generate laser targeted leads. It appeared when I looked at this site that the products available. I checked out this one and this one. Both of these are highly technical and would be used for a person with not just one website, but with a person that has several accounts. You know, like here you're checking using heat maps, you know, traffic to several sites to track it, to find out how you can improve these sites, traffic in those situations. So that's again very, very technological. As far as this is SAS Mantra. The last one appeared to be a Facebook page. It is a good place again. They talk about, it's simply talking about Affordable Deals Club. And it's not, it appears that in the conversations here that they will talk about a new WordPress, free WordPress plugin that's available. The gentleman that has the page, Terrence Keith Hale here, we talk just basically it's conversation chatter about maybe I saw this deal yesterday on AppSumo, I saw this deal on PitchGround, go there, look at it, whatever. It's that kind of thing. It's bringing the information together under one roof, which is this page, and then sharing with it and sharing good things, bad things about the deal. And if you've used it, they talk about that. So that's kind of thing. So I thought that was a source that could be used for AppSumo. You can, instead of just following AppSumo, this brings in deals from a lot of different places. For becoming a member, and within a couple hours, I was accepted in. I think there's around 300 and some people that know about this. So it's something you might want to spread to your friends. A good way to keep track of what's going on. Because I know if you're like me, you're busy with your own business that you don't have time to go check AppSumo every day for deals, or maybe not even have time for reading the deals. So, but that's, again, we're going to go through, this is, in summary, we talked about PitchGround and a site called Rebeliance and StackSocial and SAS Mantra. Okay. And also we talked about Rebelliance. We did that SAS Mantra, and then the Facebook page. Those are basically it for. So I hope in this video that we gave you an idea of 6 other sources. That does look like they're all kind of interconnected in a way. I would say AppSumo is the leader in the market, but that StackSocial is working hard to catch up and have actually gone past them, and the broad-based being more like a Groupon type thing, bringing in other types of products like home technology products and things like that that appear to be towards women and men's hobbies and things they like to do. And then if you look at PitchGround, competes very well with AppSumo as far as the technology and getting new developers to want to be part of their format and use and promote their products and with the deals. I would say probably look at AppSumo, PitchGround. StackSocial is probably the leader just because of the broad base as the leading competitor. And then definitely drop down to Rebelliance is much smaller with deals provided. Bootstraps basically collecting, as in the Affordable Deals Club did that too. And SAS Mantra is very small niche, very narrow-minded on types of things. Platforms like that, apps that help larger businesses that are promoting and helping build um, situations with increasing traffic to businesses. So, a roundup of what's going on with these deals. I hope that you got some value out of this video today. If you did, please leave comments down below. Let me know what you think. And if you go to these 6 sites, leave comments, let me know how that worked out for you, what you thought of them. So that's probably a roundup for AppSumo Alternatives. And I hope you liked this video. I hope you got some value out of this video. This would help you out finding these 6 other sources of getting deals for things that might help to improve your business. Please give it a large thumbs up, like it. If you did get value from it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also, if you haven't already, hit the bell icon to be notified every time we publish a new video to our YouTube channel. Please do that today. And as always, thanks for watching and so long.